I need the smoked either sardine or herring, pickled sardines. There we go, I found the smoked sardines, looks good. Russian Shuba. So I've got sardines, this is the smoked kind. I like the smoked one versus the original recipe calls for pickled herring. If you like pickled herring, go for it. But this is much nicer taste. So replace that, and it's much more healthier version, I think. Then we have parsley, 1/4 of onion, boiling the carrots I got, and 1 beet and 4 eggs. Shuba generally is called herring under the fire coat, and you can top it with either beet or mayonnaise depending on what color fire coat. But that's pretty much it. It's a very, if you never tried it, it's very exotic, but if you get used to it, you probably miss it once in a while. So there you go. We'll start this process by baking all these beet. I replace potato with just a little bit of sweet potato, just a thin layer, and they'll be just a layered salad. So we have beet, sweet potato underneath, and eggs. I'll take out the eggs first, and then beet will take longer. Potato will come out within 30 minutes. Carrots around that time, maybe even 15 minutes earlier. The beet will take probably 35 minutes, depending on the quantity of other stuff in there. So we have everything ready. Eggs are ready. So now we have the beet, sweet potato, and carrot, and we need mayo sauce. And the art of making it is in the layering technique and the way it looks. The layering starts with heavier stuff. Potato goes first, and then onion, herring or pickled herring. In this case, I'm using smoked sardine. Then carrot, mayonnaise, and topping with either beet and then extra layer of mayonnaise. Most version has eggs on the top, and that's a good healthy keto version, so I like it to be topped with egg. And the decoration is really depending on the taste and time you have. About the spice, it just has salt to the taste and black pepper. That just makes it nicer. You can add any other spice if you like. Most commonly dill is used. I'm not a big fan of dill, so I replace that with Italian parsley. And my personal favorite, basil, if I was goes with anything. So it's right there. Okay, they're all ready. The beet is grated, and so is the carrot, eggs, and now all there's to do is just layer them up. Okay, the layering is done, and it needs to be chilled for 4 to 6 hours before you can even cut it, because that's just always served and chilled. The trick is in the layering. So first goes the potato, and then onion, herring, pickled herring, or smoked sardines that I love, so I put it in there. And then mayo, carrot, a little bit of mayo, and then grated eggs, or you can skip that if you don't like eggs. And then topped with grated beets and parsley or dill, whatever that you like. But that's about it. Herring under a fire coat. Shuba. Done. And after 1 hour of chilling, it's actually ready to be enjoyed, but 4 to 6 hours recommended, because if you cut it, the layer would not show up nicely. But if you just don't care about the layer, you can eat it. So there it is, Shuba, herring under